Picture this. You walk into a high-end burger joint. You don't slam a bag of ingredients on the counter and say, "You figure it out." No, you order with precision. Beef patty, lettuce, extra sauce, absolutely no onions. The chef nods, builds it step by step, and hands you perfection. That sense of control, of deliberate step-by-step construction, is exactly what the builder pattern brings to your code. Now let's talk about what happens without it. You need a burger object. Simple enough, except your burger has a patty, lettuce, tomato, onions, sauce, cheese, pickles, and a toasted bun, some required, most optional. So you do what any reasonable developer does at 2 a.m. You write one constructor to rule them all. New burger, open parenthesis, beef, true, false, true, ketchup, false, true, false, close parenthesis. Congratulations, you have a burger. You have absolutely no idea what any of those arguments mean. Add one new option. You break every single call site. This is the telescoping constructor problem. Your object is being built. Your teammates are filing complaints. Builder arrives and says, "Relax. We don't build everything at once. We separate the construction of a complex object from its final representation, and we do it one intentional step at a time." Let's read the diagram. At the top, burger is our product, the finished object, the thing we actually want. It holds patty, lettuce, and sauce, clean, no mysteries. Below it, Burger Builder is our builder interface. It declares the construction steps: add patty, add lettuce, add sauce, each returning Burger Builder for elegant method chaining, and build, which returns the completed burger. Veggie Burger Builder and Meat Burger Builder are the concrete builders. Same steps, completely different ingredients. One plants a garden in your burger, the other does not. Finally, Burger Chef is our director. It receives any burger builder, calls the steps in the correct order, and returns the result. The client never touches the construction logic. It simply hands the chef a builder and says, "Do your thing." TypeScript. Let's build this properly. First, the burger product: patty, lettuce, sauce. Clean class, no drama. Next, the Burger Builder interface. 4 methods: add patty, add lettuce, add sauce. Each returns Burger Builder so you can chain them like a civilized person, and build, which returns your finished burger. Veggie Burger Builder implements every step with the enthusiasm of someone who genuinely enjoys salad. Meat Burger Builder does the same: beef patty, smoky sauce, no apologies. Now, Burger Chef, our director. It receives any burger builder and calls the steps in order: add patty, add lettuce, add sauce, then build. Pass a Meat Burger Builder, beef burger, beautifully assembled. Pass a Veggie Burger Builder, plant-based, equally well constructed. The director never changes. The construction process never changes. Only the builder does. One swap, entirely different result. Use Builder when your objects have too many optional parts to fit in a single constructor without losing your mind, when the construction must be independent of the final representation. When you need the same process to produce different results, stop torturing your constructors. Build deliberately, build cleanly, one step at a time.